Well, God has now established another fundamental we all need to be thrilled about. He does not destroy the faithful and godly right along with the wicked and the godless. Oh, that's good news. Now, we shouldn't confuse the concept of God pouring out his wrath on the one but not the other with the belief that God doesn't allow bad things to happen to good people. God certainly does allow the harms of this natural world to affect the godly and the godless. God does not, does allow the wickedness of evil men to befall the godly and the godless. God also does not promise to shelter the godly from persecutions by the godless or the wicked. But these things that come about at the hand of men are not from him. They're from the evil one or from our own evil inclinations. What God does promise is that he will not shower his own wrath, his own divine judgment upon the godly right along with the godless. I hope you see the difference. This is especially important to grasp as we consider end times, because by definition, tribulation is different from God's wrath. Tribulation, or the tribulation period, is going to be men pouring out evil upon other men at an unprecedented level. God's divine wrath is a divine calamity that is brought about supernaturally. And as we consider an earlier time when God poured out his wrath, so that the righteous would survive the supernatural wrath that God was about to wreak on the whole planet, God had Noah build an ark, a God-designed safe haven, a sanctuary for Noah and for his family. The ark would allow the righteous to live while the wicked perish. Now, I can only imagine how ridiculed Noah must have been for building this 450-foot long monstrosity. Can you imagine? To start with, there's no indication at all that Noah lived anywhere near a substantial body of water. What he did is not unlike building an ocean liner behind your barn in the middle of Nebraska. But here's the deal, and it's summed up so elegantly, simply in verse 22. This is what Noah did. He did all that God ordered him to do. And saved his life. His and the lives of all of his family.